Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Allan. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about addition and subtraction of polynomials. So to add the polynomials, kailangan natin i-check muna kung naka-arrange yung mga exponent from highest down to the lowest exponent. For example, this one, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So ito yung mga exponent dapat naka-arrange na ganyan, para hindi tayo mahirapan mag-add or subtract. Tapos, yung i-add natin dapat the same exponent. The same exponent, the same variable. Then, the same exponent, the same variable. The same variable, silent one, exponent, and constant number. Pag naka-arrange na lahat, na-check na natin na okay na, yun ang time para mag-add tayo ng polynomials. 4 plus 30 equals 34. Then, just only copy the variable. Huwag ipa-plus yung exponent. Positive plus negative. Pag unlike sign, kailangan natin siya i-minus. Ang 6 mas mataas sa negative 2, itong positive na yan. Kaya ang sign natin ay sign ay 6 minus 4, sign natin ay positive. Then 6 minus 2 equals 4. Yung variable and exponent just bring down. The next, positive, negative, so addition of unlike sign. So we have to do is to minus. Highest yung 56, so kunin natin yung sign ng 56. And 56 minus 40 is 16. And just bring down the variable together with the exponent. Just only copy. No need to add the exponent. Negative plus negative, so like sign. So we have to add and copy only the sign. Pag like sign. Then 4 plus 5 equals 9. Then bring down the variable. No need to add the exponent. 2 plus negative 1, unlike sign, so we have to minus. Highest yung 2, kaya kunin natin yung sign ng highest number. Then 2 minus 1 equals 1. O yan yung final answer natin. 34x raised to the 4th power plus 4x to the 3rd power plus 16x squared minus 9x plus 1. Okay, another example. So we have to observe first the given 7, exponent 7, 6, 5, 4, 0. So naka-arrange ang exponent. Tapos, ang i-minus, ang i-add natin ay the same variable ng exponent. Okay. Check natin na okay na. So, i-add na natin siya. Pag wala ditong katapat, just bring down. Ito naman ngayon, positive, negative, addition of unlike sign. So, we have to minus. Then higher yung 17, yun ang sign natin, kukopyahin natin. Then 17 minus 5 equals 12, and copy lang the variable together with the exponent. Ito, wala tayong ma-minus dito, walang babaguhin dyan, just bring down and copy only. Ito, may problema tayo dito, positive, negative, addition of unlike sign. So, i-minus natin yan. Mataas yung 8, so yun ang sign na kukunin natin. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Copy the variable and the exponent. Ito, unlike sign na naman. Addition of unlike sign, so we're going to minus. Mataas yung 4, disregard the sign. So, kunin natin ang sign ng 4, negative. 4 minus 2, 2. Yan na po ang final answer natin. Okay, and subtraction, mayroong rules tayong tatandaan. Kapag nagsusubtract tayo, i-change natin itong subtraction sign, magiging positive na. So, gagawin natin ngayon reverse. Remember, the reverse of subtraction is addition. Ni-reverse na po natin siya, kaya addition na. So, itong subtract na to, lahat ng sign ay papalitan natin from positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative. Kung anong sign dyan, i-reverse nyo lang naman. Kung ito ay negative, magiging positive ito. Kung ito ay negative, magiging positive ito. Kung ito ay negative, magiging positive. Kung lang, vice versa lang. Okay, naayos na natin. I-check naman na natin yung mga exponent and variable. Pag the same, okay. Pag the same, okay. Andito naman yung constant. So, ibig sabihin, ready na siya para na maging isa-minus na natin siya ng polynomials na yan. Okay. Ang result, positive dito, silent. Addition of unlike sign. Kapag unlike sign, ma-minus natin. 14 minus 10 equals 4. The problem, what is the sign? Mas mataas ang 14 kaya positive. Copy lang yung variable. Huwag ipa-plus ang exponent. Addition of unlike sign na naman, positive, negative. So, ima-minus natin. Kung ano yung malaki doon, magsimula mag-minus. 18 minus 5 equals 13. Ang tanong, ano magiging sign natin? Disregard the sign, mas mataas yung 18. Kaya itong negative na to, yun ang kukunan ng kakopyahin natin ang sign. Oh, like sign. Pag like sign, copy the sign, then add 27. This will be our answer. Next, check muna. It's number 2. Negative, magiging positive. Change natin. Itong positive, magiging negative. Yung negative, magiging positive. Yung positive, magiging negative. Yung negative, magiging positive. Then, i-check din natin ulit yung mga variable kung tama. Okay? Nakaline lahat. Okay naman. Okay. I-add na natin siya. Okay, 19, silent, positive. So, unlike sign, so we have to minus. 19 minus 15 equals to 4. Anong sign? Yung highest number ang kukunan ng sign. Variable and exponent only copy. Of like, I said pag like, copy lang the sign, then add 14xy squared, copy the variable and exponent. Pag unlike sign, addition, minus yan. So, 19 minus 5 equals 14, and sign natin kukunin na yung highest ng number na yan, 19. Ang sign ng 19 is negative, that's why negative here. Then copy the variable xy. Then positive, positive, so like sign, addition of like sign. So copy the sign, 15 plus 7 equals 22. Oh, final answer na yan. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.